So my name is Yuan, and I was born in China, where I also did my bachelor degree in electronic engineering. And after that, I went to London and studied machine learning at University College London. And after graduation, I came back to China and started to work in a natural language processing startup called Laiye Network Technology. But in the end, I feel like doing a PhD is a very cool thing. So, and I also found this very interesting project, ELO-X program. And so I quit the job and start to do a PhD at the University College of Freiburg. Yeah. So about my research topic, is to design new reinforcement learning algorithms so that these algorithms can better handle the real-world applications, some real-world control problems. And that's my research topics. And I think the most special part for this program is that I found this program has a very intersecting research background of all the members. And all people, they come from different research areas. And I think this kind of intersection is really essential and helpful to some research, complex and very new research. And people can see the same problem, but from different perspectives. I think this kind of difference are quite helpful to my research. Okay. So after my master degree, I really learned a lot of knowledge about reinforcement learning. And during my work, I also see some disadvantages of reinforcement learning and how it can fail to manage the real-world situations. So I really want to bridge this gap between the simulation and the real world. And that's why I choose this topic as my PhD's research topic. Yes. Well, first, I think machine learning, this technique, is a very good complement, supplementary for MPC methods, because it can ease the effort of to build a very accurate models for MPC methods. And so it can actually spread the MPC models to a wider society, so people can use these MPC methods much easier. And so one breakthrough I really look forward to is that I really want to see a more general or universal model that can be built for MPC methods, so that you can imagine that we can solve all MPC problems, but using one common word model. I think it's a very cool stuff to achieve. Yeah, I think I will go for the similarities I observed. I think most colleagues, they work on very related area that related to the MPC problems, more or less. And I think one common thing I noticed is that people are really good at math, and they can formalize the questions very mathematically, which I think is very a good property for doing research, and this is a common thing I have noticed. Okay. So for my research, I want to become an expert of reinforcement learning, both theoretically and practically. So to do so, first I want to select some research topics that always have a real-world background or applications. And second, I choose segments, both academia and also industry. And in the end, I maybe also want to join some consulting companies that may have a very general and broad insight on the industry part, so that I can know the situations here and better apply my algorithms on the real-world applications. So I think I used to be a kind of shy person, But I think in ELO-X there are many interactions, communications with other colleagues and members, and it makes me feel that I can really I should communicate with others for my research and also for the social life, and I think this kind of opportunities are really precious for me that to grow my ability to communicate with others, and I think it's really helpful to my future career as well. Yeah. Thank you.